Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm back with a new lesson that is learning about landforms. We already know that different places on earth looks different. Yes, every place looks different from when compared to another place. Okay. Now moving ahead, what are the landforms and what are the different landforms found on earth? Let's find out these things. So let's get started talking about vacations. What is vacation, children? Vacation means whenever you get the holidays for longer period, that is called as the vacations. Okay, every year dad and mom take Millie and Joy to different places during their summer vacations. So every year whenever we get the summer vacations, where we go, children? We go to some other place to visit, right? So here also dad and mom of Joy and Millie, they go to the different places. This year we are going to the mountains, said dad. So dad said that this year we are going to visit mountains. Joy was thrilled. Remember how much fun we had last year when we went to the sea? He said. Will it be the same this year too? So Joy was very happy. Thrilled means what? Very excited. He was very excited by listening that they are going to visit mountains this year. And he said that, did you remember how we had lot of fun last year when we visited to sea? He said. Now he asked a question to his dad that, will it be the same this year too? So, well, mountains are different but we surely will have fun, smiled dad. So dad smiled and said, mountains are different when compared to the sea, but surely we will have fun when we go there. He smiled. Next, landforms. What are landforms? Let's find out. Various places on the earth look different. Yes, every place look different from one another, children, and these are the different landforms of the earth. So different places look different and these are called the landforms. You have already read about some of them in the previous class. Try to find the names of some landforms in this grid. Look at the pictures for help. One has been done for you. So here one grid is given. You have to solve this grid and by looking at the picture. So first one is hill. First one is hill. What is hill? This one. छोटे पहाड़ों को हिल कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, what are mountains? Mountains are this. बड़े पहाड़ों को mountains कहते हैं. Mountains will be very high, children. And what are oceans? Oceans are the large water bodies. This one. Next, plains. Plains are the flat lands, children. Okay. And desert means, look at the picture here. Desert means a place where you can just see the sand. Okay. It will be filled with the sand and rarely the plants will grow there. Next, river. Rivers are the smaller water bodies. Okay, children. Now let's learn more in detail about these different landforms. First one is mountains. What are mountains? The land sometimes rises to form mountains and hills. Hills are smaller than the mountains. So the land, zameen, sometimes it will rises to form a mountains. So mountains means bade pahad and hills means chote pahad. So hills are smaller than mountains. Okay. So this is one of the type of the land form, isn't it? ये भी एक तरीके एक टाइप की ज़मीन है. That is called as the mountain. The tops of the mountains are called peaks. So look at the picture here, mountain peak. This top of the mountain, okay, this top of the mountain is called as the peaks. Okay. Sometimes many mountains are found together, they form a mountain range. Sometimes what will happen, children? Many mountains will be together formed, and if you see that place, then that is a mountain range. They together, all the mountains together form mountain range. The low land between two hills or mountains is called a valley. So what is valley? The low land between the two hills or two mountains is called as the valley. So whenever you see land between two hills or two mountains, then that place is called as the valley. Valley, valley. It is often very cold up in the mountains. So if you climb up the mountains, then you will feel very cold. It will be very cold upside. Sometimes their peaks are covered with the snow, and sometimes the peaks of the mountains will be covered with the snow whenever it snows. Okay. Snow means what? Barf. Okay. Now the next type of land is next form of land is plateaus. Okay. So plateau is a land which is higher than the nearby land but has a flat top. Okay. What are plateaus, children? Look at the picture here. So these are also like the mountains, but the top will be flat. So look at the picture here carefully. The top is flat, right? It is not like this. These places does not have peaks like this. If there is a peak, then these are the mountains. If there is no peak, then these are the plateaus. Plateau, plateau. Okay, so whenever you see this type of places, then it is called as a plateau. Plateau is a land which is higher than the nearby land but has a flat top. Okay, they look like the tables. Does it look like a table, children? Yes, it's looking like a table only. How the table will be like this now? So it will have the flat top, isn't it? So here also there is a flat top, so that is called as plateaus. Plateaus are not as high as mountains. A lot of minerals are found in the plateaus. So plateaus are not high than the mountains, and lot of minerals can be found in these plateaus. What are the minerals, children? Children, minerals means things like coal, gold or oil that come from the under the ground is called as a minerals. So सोना, कोयला या कोई भी चीज़ हो, that is called as a minerals, that will be found in these plateaus only under the ground. Also you will find the minerals, and in this plateaus also you will find the minerals. Okay, next landform is flat plains. Okay, so what about the place we live in, Dad? Millie was curious. Is this a plateau? It does not seem to be a mountain as it is flat. Yes, Millie, said Dad. We live in a flat area. This is called plains. Millie asked a question to her dad that what is the type of place that we live in. So is this a plateau? She asked. So Millie's dad answered that yes, beta, it is called as the plains. Okay, plains are the flat lands. Look at the picture here. Flat land is called as the plains. Many people live in the plains. The soil in the plains is good for growing crops. Many factories and important cities are in the plains too. Yes, usually people they live in the plains only, children, and these are the flat landforms, and soil in this plain is very good for growing crops. What are crops? Crops means the plants which give us food is called as crops. Many factories and important cities are in the plains too. Yes, all the factories and important cities they lies in this landform, that is plains. Okay, now the question is, why do most people live in the plains? Why all most of the people they live in the plains? Because the land will be very flat, isn't it? If you go and construct your house on the mountains or hills, then it will be very difficult to carry the material to build the house, and if you want to climb, then it will take too much effort, isn't it? So that is why most of the people they live in the plains only. Well, that's it, children. I would like to end up my discussion here. We'll catch up with the next video with the next part of this lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.